Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to migrate WordPress to IONOS. Let's get into it. First, export your files from WordPress. Open your web browser, log into your old dashboard, and start by going to WordPress and make sure to export all the necessary files. Go to your Tools menu, pick the option to save your pages, hosts, and pictures, and download the copy straight to your computer desktop. You have to download these files so you have a backup ready to go. Without this step, your new space will remain completely empty, and you would have to build your whole website again from the beginning. Next, go to Hosting and use Web Space. You need to open your new account dashboard and find the specific area where your digital storage tools are hidden. Log into your IONOS dashboard, click on Hosting, and scroll down to select Use Web Space button to see the list of folders. Wait a moment for the new screen to load your personal list of internet folders. By clicking these specific choices, you bypass all the extra account settings and open the actual filing cabinet for your files. It ensures you are in the right spot so you can see all your directories laid out on your screen. Next, open your target website folder. Look at the folder list on your screen, find your main folder, and double-click it to look inside. Make sure you see the empty space inside that folder where your old design work will go. By opening the correct folder, you are clearing the way for your old files to take over the new system. It is the key step to getting the right output so your pages show up cleanly on the new network. And lastly, click on the Upload button to choose your saved WordPress items from your computer folder. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.